first ever BML event. It's all about clarity, and we've had a great turnout.
Well, to be honest, I go to quite a few networking events, and this one was brilliant because it didn't just talk about how to be, with your business, but it gave us actions to implement, and also it wasn't just about being motivated, which a lot of events are about.
People have all these ideas in their head, but often don't know what to do with them. They don't know how to implement the ideas. So what we're teaching them today is what is the first step? How do they niche their brand, their product, their service? How do they find their ideal customer?
A lot of business owners tend to suffer the problem where they don't understand which direction they're going in. They need to have full clarity, full purpose, in their full intent in terms of the direction that they're heading.
Actually getting to meet some like-minded individuals, but learning from them as well. The session itself has been very informative, but it's been full on because we're actually learning face-to-face with individuals as well as putting through our own experiences.
I've now got a clear focus who should I target on based on after today's workshop.
So this workshop is purely geared for whether you're a startup, whether you're already in business and need some direction, this is actually for you.
So that means that I'll be definitely making some changes. Watch this space.
Yeah, if you're not here at this BML event, make sure you're here for the next one.